Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I want to talk to you about SunOpta, ticker symbol STKL. Definitely put this on your watch list. I see, in my opinion, I think this is a great potential. Falls into the areas of Beyond Meat category, plant-based company. Um, so you definitely want to check this video out. If you are new to the channel, just wanted to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about different types of companies to possibly invest on, whether it is dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, you've come to the right channel. I do a lot of these stock reviews of companies that I look at, that I personally invest on, or possibly put on my watch list for future investments or positions. So if you want to follow me and and join our little community, our our ohana of investors, you definitely want to subscribe, hit that like button as well, and join us into uh, our journey together into making money in the stock market. As always, please remember this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing uh, what I'm looking at. Always make sure to do your own research, do your own due diligence. With that said, let's take a look at this company. The ticker symbol is STKL. It is a company that focuses on natural and organic food, supplements, and health and beauty market. So they are a plant-based food and beverage. So basically you can see here, their focus is helping make the planet and people healthier through plant-based food and beverage, organic ingredients, and organic food beverages. So they have stuff that non-GMOs. So with the trend of trying to be more healthier and providing plant-based foods like Beyond Meat, I think this is another one of those companies that are, in my opinion, have a lot of potential. As you can see, they have many different products, from tea, fruit-based ingredients. So they also have different channels to go through their products. So let's take a look at some of the information in here. So 2019, they have 1.5 billion revenue. So their three operation segments is plant-based foods, global ingredients, and then food-based food and beverages. So they say that they can grow through market with multi-channel consumer products offering. So you can see from this chart as well. Now, if we look at the next one, you can see that these are their core strategies: build advantage business model through the service of plant food and beverages, food-based food and beverages, and organic foods. Now, if we look at some of their, driving future growth, you can see that EBITDA is just increasing from each year, with the exception for Q1 2020. So if you look down to it, they expect this business of global organic food and beverage market to grow nearly 15% over the next 5 years. So they're estimating that by 2024, it will increase their CAGR. It will be 14%. As you can see, the category trends from here, from the fruit snacks, frozen fruits, non-dairy milk, and the broth. Yeah. Now, if we look at some of the price targets, so at the time of this video, it was it was at $13. Their target price based on tip ranks is $15 with a 9% upside. Their high was 15. Analysis rating 3 buy. Now, if we look at another source, which is CNN Business, you can also see a similar forecast of $15 with a low of $12. Now, if you look at the analysis recommendations, 4 of them recommended it as a buy. Now, take a looking at NASDAQ, you can also see, based on one analysis, it is a strong buy. And their price target is also the same with 15, with a high of 15. Now, if we look at bar chart, if you look at their chart as well, they are bullish as well with strong buys going back as 3 months ago, with based on 2 analysis and 3 analysis with a price tag of high target of 15. Now, we look more at the key statistics. If you look at REO is 1%, ROA is 0.2. You can see looking down to the growth, you can see 1-year return is 400%, 3-year return is 99, 5-year return is about 166. Now, if we look at the chart, this is a 3-month chart. You can see it is a steady upward trend. The red is the 20 MA, the blue is the 50 MA. So you can see a beautiful chart going up. You can see the volume is pretty steady. MACD crossed a while back, so it looked like it's going to cross again. The Rizzo is pretty good. It's staying between these lines of 0.78 and 0.16. So now if we look at Yahoo Finance, you can see the market cap is 1 billion. The 52-week range, the high is 14. So again, it's going to get close to 14. Looking at the performance outlook, you can see they're all bullish. Now, if we look at the earnings, you can see 4 beats the past quarters, 4 straight quarters. The revenue looked like it's slowly going down. So we'll see what happens on 2020, what the revenue are. Earnings is just stuff. So that is something to consider if this is one of the stocks that you would consider putting it on. Now, if you look at the trends, it is a mixture of a strong buy to buy. Again, the rating is between a strong buy and a buy. Currently, right now, it is below the analyst price target of $14. So that is good. So now if we look at some of the top institutional holdings, you can see from September 20, 2020, these are the companies that bought it. You can see Engage Capital, Oak Tree Capital Management have bought in no more than 2 million shares. So it looks pretty good. Now, if we go to Market Watch, we look at some of the balance sheets. So if we look down to I'm looking for total liabilities is 921, and then we look at where is that? Total assets is 1.2 billion. Those are the numbers for that. Now, if we look at Robinhood, you can see at the time of this video, it was down 2%. For the week, it was up 11%. The month, it was up 23%. 3 months is up 82, and the year is up 389. 5 years, it's up 128. So what am I going to do with this? So I did buy 2 shares, started out small. My average cost was $10, so I'm already up 28%. I do plan on continually to slowly purchase this one. I'm not sure yet on how long I'm planning to hold this, probably a year or 2 years. Depends on what I see. I do like the potential of it, but I think there are things that I would like to see go on in terms of what are they going to do in 2021. Is the revenue going to start to increase? I think once I start seeing that, then I will start putting more of it. I do like it. I do see a great potential in my opinion. I will probably again slowly maybe reach up to 25, and that'll probably it. If I get some gains to it, I'll see whether I continue to keep it or not. But it's more for me right now. I'm looking at it as more of a possibly investing in the long term, or possibly just doing a swing trade on it. So hope you like this video. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit that like button, really helps the channel out. As always, please remember to do your own due diligence, own research before investing in any companies. Please be safe out there, stay cool, definitely keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Aloha.